Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to take a look at this Evans TRIG-A-LITE. It has either the fulcrum screw or the post back here is stripped out and will work itself out as the mechanism is actuated. You can see there how that's backing out. So I'm just curious if supposedly these rivets were an improvement. I'm curious if I can switch out these fulcrum screws for fulcrum rivets and if they will hold in there any tighter. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do right now. I believe this one, the back one, yeah, still did thread. So we've got our fulcrum screws over here, and we're going to replace them with the rivets. And I should have taken that flint spring screw out of there before I started. As you can see, this flint spring screw, or flint spring, goes in the back and then comes back at it from the front. We'll go ahead and get our mechanism apart here. And this one has the two arms in front. So we'll go ahead and get our file wheel with the gear on the back side. That's where the ratchet arm is going to pull from to open it. File wheel with the gear facing away. And we're going to put our fulcrum rivet through there. The repair manual said you may need to press that in. It appears as though it slipped in, which may mean it'll slip right back out, but we will see. Okay, so we've got that front one snapped in there. Get our spring in place for the thumb lever. Get our other rivet ready. So we need to make sure that both those arms go down in front of the file wheel and in place on each side. And then we still need this back portion to slide into place. Now we'll get the fulcrum rivet into place and hopefully snapped in. We'll go ahead and get the flint back in there and the flint spring screw. Go ahead and get it fueled up. If you enjoy watching instructional and repair videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconista, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit that share button. Send the link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. That'll be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com. This is a very nice lighter. I'm going to go ahead and do a video on it. I haven't really known what to do with this lighter for a while, with the way that those fulcrum screws were slipping out of there, or the way the one was slipping out of there. So I'm going to use it a little bit and see how those hold up. At the very least, it is a very nice lighter to have displayed in your collection.
even if you can't carry it around because the fulcrum rivet might fall out. Very cool old lighter.
Until next time.